Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make tahini or sesame sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. Our ingredients to make tahini is 250 grams of sesame. I have here a toast sesame, brown one, but you can use the white sesame too. And also we're gonna need some sesame oil. These are our ingredients, and now let's start doing our tahini. First I'm gonna rinse the sesame with water and leave it to dry. And this is our sesame after we put it to dry. So now we're gonna toast it a little bit to make sure that all the humidity get out from it. We're not gonna toast it too much, just a few minutes. Put it in a frying pan over small heat and keep stirring it. Then take it down. Now let's start doing the tahini. First we're gonna grind the sesame in the coffee grinding or in the mixer. So put a little bit in the grinding machine and grind it. Every 1 or 2 minutes, open it up and move the sesame around so we can get all the sesame seeds grinding, like you see in the video. In a while, you're gonna notice that the sesame became like a dough. That's because of the oil that the sesame have it in it. After you grind it well, start adding the sesame oil little by little as needed. And start mixing all together until you reach the desired texture. And finally, this is our tahini sesame sauce. It looks dark because we used a brown sesame or toasted sesame, but if you used a white sesame, the color will be lighter. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.